So this is a Roco HO scale SNCF 150Y. It looks really good in the green. It is a former German Railway Class 52 Kriegslock, but with modification for French running. The most clear one is this small chimney. There must have been quite a tight loading gauge somewhere. Looks really good in the green with the lining. Got that tub tender and real austerity look. And we've got LED lighting front and rear. Front lights are quite small, but they do illuminate. You've got this investment cast valve gear and the coupling rods. So metal coupling rods. There is an engineering plastic crosshead because it's a complex shape. And a lot of models have those. It's a nice tough plastic for the job. It's a good weight and it has quite phenomenal drive. It drives on the 10 main wheels and 4 wheels on the tender. So the motor sits in the tender and drives a couple of axles, the first and the last I think. And then a carbon drive goes through to the front to drive the main wheels. And it does all this quietly. So this is a factory fitted sound model. Got 22 functions on a Zemo chip. Some quite French whistles, those are quite interesting. And various sound effects. Dynamo. I might do the dynamo all the way back there on this version. Usually they're at the front. On the German machines certainly they were on the front. Nice sound profile with coasting beats as well. There's plenty of these locos around, so it's going to be a genuine sound. Curved steer there. So it's really nice. French steam's obviously very difficult to get hold of at the moment, so it's always welcome to see some of these Kriegsrocks.